Hi, this is Rusty coming to you from the Trailer Trash Customs Garage. I'm still working on my bucket truck project and created my first real hinge today. I'm very proud of it. Kind of crude looking still, but it's functional. Use some very thin brass sheet and small brass rod, and carefully cut the hinge out, and then bent the I guess teeth of the hinge back over the rod each direction, and of course created the hinge. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get it to move or not without using two hands, but I don't think I can. But very proud of that. What that's going to do is it's going to join the door to the basket and actually make it hinge. So that's part of my update, and we'll be coming back to you with more. Thanks.